virtual reality, augmented reality, and Microsoft Hololens. You want to know about all these? So stay tuned. Hey guys, it's me Ayush Banerjee, and you're watching R&D Tech.
So many pieces held back together now. What's your vision?
So there have been quite a buzz around these days in the consumer market with the virtual reality and augmented reality. So what are these two things? Virtual reality or VR headset is an apparatus which, when connected to your smartphone, takes you or teleports you to other dimension without you being physically present there. In virtual reality, when you wear your headset, you are able to view 360-degree videos, and you feel as if you are into that video. And when you move your head or view the other sides wearing that headset, it shows you different views of this video. These 360-degree videos are available already on YouTube, and a new feature by YouTube has also been announced on April 1st, which is the Snooper Vision, which converts almost all videos available on YouTube to be viewed in 360 degrees. In Snooper Vision, those videos which are not actually 360 are viewed in a form of a cinema theater, in which you sit beside Snoop Dogg. As the name suggests, Snooper Vision. You sit beside Snoop Dogg, and you can view that video, which was earlier a 2D video, in cinema theater. So this was all about virtual reality. Now, what is augmented reality and HoloLens? Augmented reality is a very different principle than virtual reality, but there are many confusions since they both share the terminology reality. They are not real, but they are created via our computers. In virtual reality, where our smartphone is required and it shifts us or cuts our connection with the physical world and takes us to a virtual world which is not really present, or the augmented reality is a step ahead of it, in which your physical world and your virtual world is stitched together. For example, if you are wearing some augmented reality headset, it's a computer in itself, and when you view through it, you'll find your things in physical world get blended through your with the virtual reality things, like in the form of holograms, which we saw in many science fiction movies, like Iron Man. When he wears his suit upon and he views through it, he could see many statistical data floating in the air. So HoloLens is also a sort of augmented reality headset, which when worn up by a viewer, he could see holograms floating in air, or he can pin up certain holographic widgets or use some other applications for his work wearing that AR headset. For example, with the augmented reality headset or HoloLens, you can walk around and have a Skype chat. You don't need a computer now. You don't need a camera. You don't need a bulky setup, or even not your phone. The HoloLens has a camera in itself. It's a computer. It's a small computer in itself and can run everything. But every great thing has a downside as well. Microsoft HoloLens being the sort of first step towards the augmented reality thing, is very young, and it does not have loads of apps which are already available on a computer. So developers are working upon many application development procedures to bring all the previous apps or old apps to the augmented reality headset, that is the HoloLens. So they are converting all the normal Win32 apps as well as other apps to be compatible with the holographic computer. So you need to know that even though holographic computer or HoloLens is a way advanced step in the computing industry, or could be stated as a revolution, as it is changing science fiction into a science fact, but still needs a lot of improvement to be available to be used by the consumers. Also, the price of that HoloLens is also priced at very high rates, since developer edition of the HoloLens is launched back in February end and March starting. It is priced at around $3,000, which is approximately 3 lakh rupees in Indian currency. So it is quite way too expensive, not quite, way too expensive. And we hope that when it comes to the consumer edition, it would reduce some price. Same was with the Google Glass thing as well. The developer edition was way too expensive, but slight cutoff in the prices was seen when it was changed to the consumer edition. So we hope that there is a but a major price cut in the HoloLens as well, so as to make it popular among the masses. So as of now, HoloLens is a great computing device. It can be stated as the next level to computing industry, but it still needs time to be perfect. And when it's perfect, it is one which cannot be beaten. So that was all in this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. Constructive criticism is always welcome. Hit me on the comment section below if you want to know more about this topic or want to know something else. Do suggest me on which topic should I make the next video. And lastly, I would request all of you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, as I shall bring you the latest content from the tech news, ranging from tech news from the tech world, then explains videos just like this one, and reviews of the newly launched mobile devices or any technology, any latest gizmo and gadgets. So that's all for now. This is me, Ayush Banerjee, signing off. Bye bye now.
Here we go.